Plank pose is the perfect pose for busy moms because it is so efficient. You get a lot of benefit from very little time, so it's perfect for those little confetti bits of time you get where you have a small break, but not too much. It's also down-regulating for the nervous system to do a plank. If you think about it, it's really hard to think of anything else when you're in a plank. If you do it, you'll want to do it with the following cues in mind, just to make sure that you're doing it safely and for maximum benefit. All right, so we're gonna come onto all fours. A blanket can be really nice if you don't have a thick mat to protect your knees. From all fours, I'm gonna come down onto the forearms, moving the fleshy part of my forearms to the inside. Then I'm gonna walk my knees back until I feel my belly engaged. It's not a pushing out sensation or a sucking in. It's like I'm holding my belly organs into my pelvis. I'm pushing down into my forearms to round my shoulders like wings wrapping around me. And then without actually moving anything, I'm dragging my knees toward my elbows. You can also do this on your feet. If you do, you'll want to keep the weight on the outsides, toward the outsides of your feet, on your baby toes. Breathe here. Hold up to 90 seconds, looking straight down at the mat, not letting your head hang. And when it feels like maybe you're drooping in the shoulders, which is going to be harmful to your joints, or if your low back is starting to sag, then you'll want to come out. You can walk your knees back towards you. There's also a way that you can do plank using blocks. So if you've got issues with your wrists and you don't want to come up onto your hands, you can use the blocks underneath your forearms. And this makes it a little bit easier because you're further away from the floor. So this is how that might look. Meet yourself where you're at. Start wherever it feels comfortable for you. And then little by little, work your way into the more challenging version of the pose. A strap can also be really useful around your upper arms to help give that feeling of stability. I hope this encourages you to try plank and incorporate it into your day. It's probably the #1 pose that will serve you to do daily.